Hello, everyone. Welcome to the part of our fundamental series where we're going to dive a bit deeper into Microsoft Word styles. I did have another video where we went ahead and just kind of glossed over what word styles are, showed you guys how you can create word styles, how you can modify them. If you didn't see those videos, if you come over here to the Home tab on your ribbon, you should see a Styles section, and that's what we're going to be focusing on. In this video, I'm just going to be focusing on the heading, but we're going to dive a bit deeper into some of the other style options that are available to us as well. But let's go ahead and click on this drop-down arrow and see which ones we have available to us. So we have this funky one that I created myself, and then these are some of the other ones that were out of the box that came with Word. And in this video, we're going to be using the two heading options. We're going to use heading for anything that says heading 1, and then heading 2 for anything that says heading 2. Let's just see how quickly we can actually apply those styles to these different headings. Let's highlight heading 1, and let's come over here and hold Control, highlight heading 1, and I'm going to do this for every instance of heading 1. Okay, so that looks good. So let's come up here to our style. Let's go ahead and click it once, and you see it applied it to every time or every instance of heading 1 that I had highlighted. Do the same thing for heading 2. I'll highlight heading 2, heading 2, heading 2, and then there should be one more, heading 2. Okay, so come up here, go ahead and click on heading 2, and you can see we went ahead and got heading 1 and heading 2 set. So this is the first video in our styles. Please check for more very soon.